Bullish Metahero cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 2 cents and 5 cents by 2030. Market experts accept Legend could reach 2 cents by 2025. Bearish Metahero market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Metahero presentation. Metahero symbols and virtual articles are made utilizing state-of-the-art 3D innovation that makes them look super reasonable. This permits clients to make unimaginably similar 3D portrayals of themselves or some other article they can envision. The Metahero stage gives a large number of instruments and highlights that make it simple for clients to make, offer, and utilize their symbols and virtual items. As well as having the option to make itemized 3D models, clients can likewise add movements, surfaces, and lighting impacts to their manifestations. Metahero is something other than a pleasant method for communicating your thoughts on the web. It additionally has true applications in fields like style, craftsmanship, medication, and gaming. In the style business, for instance, fashioners can utilize Metahero to make advanced models of their attire plans before they start creation. This assists set aside with timing and cash by permitting creators to try out various thoughts rapidly and without any problem. What is Metahero? To make 3D symbols and virtual products for use in online entertainment, computer games, design, human expression, and clinical. Metahero, a deflationary genuine utility token, use an unbelievably reasonable 3D innovation. Metahero crucial examination. With an end goal to enroll the following 10 million digital currency clients, Metahero is acquainting metascanning innovation with the metaverse. Legend's super practical 3D innovation can be utilized to make unimaginably similar symbols and virtual articles, making it ideal for use across a great many businesses. Whether you're hoping to make another virtual entertainment profile, plan another game person, or foster a pivotal new clinical gadget, Legend has the instruments you want to rejuvenate your vision. Furthermore, Legend is a deflationary token, truly intending that there will be a restricted stockpile of Legends available for use. This makes Legend the ideal speculation for those hoping to make an early, bold move with an intriguing new venture with gigantic potential. Wait, don't as well. Get a few Legends today and begin constructing your tomorrow. Association. Metahero has an organization with Wolf Computerized World. The WDW Group is answerable for the production of the metaverse's virtual world. One of Wolf Advanced World's key assets is its capacity to make an interpretation of genuine information into an organization that can be utilized by PC frameworks. The group has fostered a scope of instruments and procedures that permit them to do this rapidly and precisely. WDW is centered around conveying the innovation to make the metaverse a reality. The objective is to make a computerized duplicate of the actual world that can be communicated with, likewise to how we cooperate with the actual world. This incorporates porting over each of the subtleties of the actual world, from structures and scenes to individuals and creatures. WDW has been chipping away at this task for over 8 years and has gained incredible headway. The group is continually improving and growing better approaches to catch and port information into the advanced world. With their experience and mastery, WDW is very much positioned to make the metaverse a reality. Metahero current cost. Metahero is right now worth $0. Legend has moved 8.54% as of now with an exchanging volume of $2,317,420. Metahero is right now positioned 522 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $27,187,991 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Metahero to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Metahero market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Metahero value expectation 2022. Metahero, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The Legend cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Legend is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Metahero value forecast 2023. In 2023, Metahero Legend cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Legend will before long outperform 1 cent. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Legend's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Legend will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 1 cent and a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. Metahero Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 1 cent and Legend might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Legend is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2024. Metahero Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Metahero effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the Legend coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Legend will be green in 2025. The Legend is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 2 cents, with a base cost of 2 cents and a typical cost of 2 cents. Metahero Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Legend cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 2 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 2 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Legend has a most extreme value worth of 2 cents. Metahero Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 3 cents. On the off chance that Legend figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 3 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help Legend needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 3 cents. Metahero Value Forecast 2028. While Legend is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 3 cents and a yearly cost close above 3 cents in 2028. Metahero Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Metahero will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 4 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 4 cents, averaging out at 4 cents. Metahero Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Legend cost in 2030 is projected to be 5 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 4 cents. And there are a lot of digital currency extends that focus on NFTs and games. However, not very many incorporate 3D examining. For this situation, Metahero gives a reaction to the question, what might it be want to infuse oneself into the web? Metahero needs to construct something totally new utilizing R, VR, cloud servers, blockchain, and Super HD filtering. What is the Metahero cost today? Today, Metahero is exchanging at $0 a complete market capitalization of $27,187,991. Is Metahero a wise speculation? Metahero ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is shrewd to say that Legend is a decent decision of venture. How high could Metahero at any point go? The typical cost of Metahero